Today, we're featuring a 2017 Peterbilt 567 tandem highway tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with a studio sleeper cab with Espar bunk heater and a fridge. Equipped solid with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, plus AM, FM, CD radio, and leather seats. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 500 horsepower, 18-speed automatic transmission with a 3.73 gear ratio, low-air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating, and Super 40s rear. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.